so welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, James. It's me, James. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is me, James PH. So welcome back. Natin ay mag-create or gagawa ng thumbnail. So, paano ko ba yung nagagawa? Yung mga ginagawa ko. So, let's go! And, nandito tayo sa aking phone. So, punta tayo dito sa thumbnail. Mag-download kayo niyan kung gusto nyo. Or, PixArt. Sorry, naubo ako. So, create thumbnail maker. So, double tap sa taas, select photo. So, ang dami kasing photo eh. So, gagawa tayo nun. Ito. Wait. Yan. Okay. Wait lang. How to create thumbnail. Yan. Or yan. Ito na yata itong yan. Ibibiutan natin. So, sorry guys. Bulong-bulong muna tayo kasi inuubo ko.
Get the Signal Prepaid HD box for only 800 pesos. Just bring your old non-Signal Pay TV box to the nearest Signal dealer. Enjoy buy one, get one.
So, wait lang. Dahil ito. Okay.
Muling umibig at humanga. Sa ganda at
Yan. So, dito talaga ako nag-edit, guys. Ay, kung may kumakanta. So, lagyan natin new. Sorry, maingay kasi. Okay. Saan ba dito?
Mondays to Fridays, 12:30 p.m. sa TV5. Sa huling linggo ng Furious Fire. Kailan tayo mag-uusap?
Yan. Wait. Yan. So, yan. Nakagawa na ako, guys. At, enjoy your thumbnail. I-save natin. Okay, nadoble ko yata. At, wait. Nasaan na ba yung, ayun, photos. So, dami kong pages yan. So, where's, wait tayo, thumbnail. So, ito na siya, guys. Na-save ko na. How to create thumbnail. Oh, yan, may nakasulat thumbnail maker. So, saan ko ba nga yan ginagawa? Dito sa YT Studio. So, yan. Try na another account. When something wrong. Kasi wala pa akong wifi. Pero, tsaka nyo na siya malalaman. So, mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo. Wait a minute.
Cause you look thirsty, I'ma make it better, slip it like a Slurpee. Snow cone chili, get it free like Willy. In the jeans like Billy, you be popping like a Willy. Even in the sun, you know I keep it icy. You could take a lick, but it's too cold to bite me. Bird, frozen, you the one being chosen. Play the part like Moses, keep it fresh like roses. Looks so good, yeah, looks so sweet. Looking good in cream chiller. I know that my heart can be so cold, but I'm sweet, but you can put me in a cone. You're the only type